Most people that will watch this video want a completely different life, but they wake up and run the same exact day. The truth that I've come to learn is this: a true transformation does not start with motivation that you might get from a video like this. It always starts with structure, knowing exactly what needs to get done on a daily basis, hours by hours. Because the moment you start to see noticeable differences in your behavior and in your results, it's usually because you started structuring the things you need to do on a daily basis, right? Like if you wanted to actually start having money saved, and then all of a sudden you started saving $20 intentionally every day, going to the bank, taking the money out, putting it at home. It's those type of behaviors that amount to the ultimate change of you being able to have a lot of money. It's always about knowing what you need to do. Like when you wake up, the first 5 hours, and then the next 3 hours, and then a few hours after that, and especially going to sleep. You need to know, what am I doing tomorrow, right? See it in your mind, picture it, already doing it. That's very important. It's valuable, and a lot of people miss this. And I'm telling you this, if you miss this, you are just going to repeat the day the next day. It's a collection of all your behaviors. You'll find yourself repeating the same day. If you want something to be different, you need a system. And structuring how you approach hour by hour has a profound impact in allowing you to get the ultimate changes that we will all love to have eventually, right? These are things you'll be surprised how many people find themselves taking it for granted. We all want the big transformation, but without taking the time to structure what needs to get done, it's going to be very difficult to achieve those big aspirations of yours. When you get a handle on exactly how you are going to structure your days, that's what ultimately builds momentum. A real genuine transformation does not come from just one moment. It always comes from an accumulation of a bunch of wins along the way. The daily wins, the weekly wins, the monthly wins, right? Even when it seems like you are losing, that you might be winning. It's an accumulation of all those wins that allow you in 5 years, in 10 years to look back and say, man, I am completely different than I used to be, in a real positive manner. So, and if we are all going to be honest, most of us are busy, occupied with a bunch of things that we need to get done. We have work 9 to 5. We have responsibilities and some levels of commitments that we need to attend to on a daily basis. That's why having systems and habits that support your ultimate goals, it's invaluable. When your structure to your life and the changes you want is very clear, the progress becomes inevitable. This is something that I've come to realize, right? Have clarity as to what needs to get done. Make the commitment to showing up for those. Do your best to get rid of as many of the distractions, including social media. Like, if you can make and have the clarity you need on a daily basis, the progress, you just see it. It's going somewhere. It's getting you to be something you will want to have in your life. This is so, so important. I hope you found a lot of value in this, and I know you're going to find some value in this. If you did, let me know in the comments below. If anything I said resonated with you, I really needed to hear this. I appreciate you for sharing. I love to see those comments. So let me know in the comments below as well. Before you get out of here, it's going to be a video that will pop up. It's usually on the left or right. I'm just not really sure where. It could be here. It could be here. You know, just, I don't know. Check it out. I know you're going to find it meaningful. If you like what we're talking about here, this is going to be something very powerful for you. All right. Thank you again for stopping by. And again, this should be the only video you watch today. Use it as inspiration. Start taking action. Structure at least what you want to get done for the day. Just today. All right. I'm going to go to sleep at 10. I'm going to set an alarm. When the timer comes on, I'm going to sleep. This is what systems is about. It's systems, right? We all fall down to our systems. What do you do on a daily basis? If your days are totally not structured and it's full of chaos, you're going to repeat it all the time. Intentionality with deliberate goals, and then you commit to it. This is what true change really means. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.